Hello and welcome to another revision video. Today we're looking at the higher tier revision workbook from Edexcel, and we're looking at topic 119, which is their box plots. So question one, the box plot shows the length in centimetres of a group of beavers, length of beavers, and it's not particularly shown well on my diagram here, but write down the median length. So box plot splits it, a sample or a group into 25%. The first 25 is this tail, the last 25 is this tail, and then the middle 50% is represented here, and the median would be the line in the middle. So if I'm after the median length of the beavers, that's this line here. That's looking like we're going up in ones, so it's looking like 44. Work out the interquartile range. So the interquartile range is the difference between the 50%. So we've got what looks like 51 minus 39, which is going to be 12. For question C, there are 60 beavers in the sanctuary. Estimate the number of beavers shorter than 41. So when I was looking at this, this is quite an awkward question in a sense. Normally it would ask you a value between one of the percentages, but this one isn't. That's 41 there. If you look, the gap here between 39 and 44 is 5 jumps, and we've got 5 squares there. So each square is looking like 5%. So we've actually got an extra 10% on top of the 25. So we'd want 35% of 60, which is going to be 21. For question 2, Jean recorded the heights of actors that attended a local theatre. The height of the shortest actor was 144, so that's my lowest value. The height of the tallest was 185, median was 162, and the upper quartile was 176, and the interquartile range was 16. This is a real common question on the exam spec. It gives you 3 of the 4 values, 4 of the 5 values that you need for your box plot. But it gives you the interquartile range rather than one of them. So let's just put that information in. The shortest was 144, so that would be that point there. The tallest is 185, so that would be that point there. The median is 162, so that's going to represent my line for my box there. And the upper quartile is 173, which would be that line there. And then we're told the interquartile range was 16. So the difference between it's this value that we're missing, but we're told that the length of this box, or the width of this box, is 16. So if I just do 173 minus 16, I would get I make it 157. So 157, I've got my final part of my box. Create a box. I tend to, and you'll never lose a mark, I tend to do a straight line through the middle. They will often not have that line through the middle, but you won't lose marks for drawing it with the line. It's just slightly easier to draw. For question 3, this box gives information about the distribution of heights of trees in the wood. What percentage of the trees are taller than 9 meters? 9 meters is this point here, which is the lower quartile. So we've got 25% shorter, so we would have 75% taller. And there are 240 trees in the wood. Estimate the number of trees that are between 9 meters, which we've already marked, and 14 meters. 14 meters is here. So we want that's between the lower quartile and the median, so that's 25% of the value. So we want 25% of 240. So a quarter of it, so halve it and then halve it again, so 120, 60. Okay, there we go. So that is, again, that's topic 119 or page 119 from the Edexcel higher tier revision workbook, and that's on box plots. I hope you found that useful. Subscribe if you like.